Ever dreamed of having a second brain? Meet Nox, the AI assistant that's so lifelike that it'll give you chills. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We're also unveiling a humanoid robot that won't cost you an arm and a leg, an art generator that's like Photoshop on steroids, and a video creation tool that's basically magic. So buckle up and let's get this party started. Meet Nox, the human-like smartwatch AI. In an exciting development, tech enthusiast Molly Cantillon has demonstrated how to jailbreak a smartwatch and install a remarkable AI personal assistant, which she affectionately named Nox. Jailbreaking involves bypassing the restrictions set by the device's operating system, allowing users to customize it in various ways. Nox serves as Molly's real-life second brain, helping her with tasks and providing proactive assistance. In a video shared on Twitter, we see Nox engaging in conversations with Molly, suggesting what she should eat and reminding her about an upcoming birthday party. Impressively, the AI even offered gift suggestions based on Molly's relationship with the celebrant, allowing her to order both gifts seamlessly. Furthermore, Molly asked Nox to arrange an Uber ride for her, showcasing the AI's versatility. What sets Nox apart is its ultra-realistic voice, probably 11 Labs. This lifelike voice produces a natural human sounds, distinguishing it from standard robotic voices. Let's see it.
Morning, Molly. Today you've got berries at 8 a.m., lunch plans at Kava, and you just got invited to Sam's birthday party at 7. Do you have a present yet?
Nope. Any ideas?
Let me see. You guys met at that Soho House dinner last month where you bonded over being enormous Swifties, so the most obvious gift would be an Eras tour ticket, but he's also been dropping hints about needing a new bike. I can place a direct order if you want, to save you the hassle.
Dope. Let's get both.
Also, looks like you both follow Carlos Alcaraz and Nike Run Club on Instagram. You could mention the extra US Open Finals ticket you have this year. I'm sure he would be up for it.
Shit. I'm late. Can you order me an Uber?
Done. Here in 5.
While we don't know all the details about Nox yet, it's evident that this AI has significant potential. Its ability to assist with daily tasks and provide personalized suggestions could make it a game-changer in the world of virtual assistants. What are your thoughts on this intriguing AI assistant? Share your opinions in the comments below. Unitree H1, the future of accessible robotics. Unitree, a prominent player in the world of robotics, recently unveiled its groundbreaking creation, the Unitree H1 humanoid robot. This impressive robot is capturing attention not just for its advanced capabilities, but also for its remarkable affordability. Standing tall at 71 inches and weighing a mere 100 pounds, the H1 humanoid is a marvel of modern engineering. It offers exceptional power and boasts an impressive range of motion, featuring 5 degrees of freedom in its leg joints and 4 degrees of freedom in its arms. To navigate its surroundings effectively, the robot is equipped with a 3D LiDAR sensor and a depth camera for visual perception. What sets the Unitree H1 apart is its robust hardware. The engineers at Unitree have developed high-torque joint motors and precision-engineered gear trains in-house, specifically designed to meet the demand of this humanoid robot. These motors deliver a peak torque of up to 360 Nm, significantly enhancing the robot's power, flexibility, speed, endurance, and load capacity. However, it's not just about hardware. The H1 excels in motion control and gait programming. It utilizes autonomous algorithms for walking, balancing, and obstacle avoidance, all without the need for human intervention. The robot can swiftly adapt its posture and maintain balance even after enduring forceful impacts, a feat that showcases its advanced capabilities. The hands are still in development, with only cushioned nubs at the end of their arms. This suggests ongoing refinements and enhancements to make the H1 even more versatile. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of the Unitree H1 is its affordability. In a market where advanced robots often come with eye-watering price tags, Unitree is determined to make the H1 accessible. The company plans to introduce this humanoid robot to the commercial arena within the next 10 years, with a projected price set below $90,000. This price point is a game changer, as it opens doors for various industries and businesses to incorporate humanoid robots into their operations without breaking the bank. It's a testament to Unitree's commitment to democratizing robotics and making cutting-edge technology accessible to a broader audience. Ready to take your photo editing game to the next level? You won't want to miss this. Midjourney has just unveiled a groundbreaking feature called in-painting that's set to revolutionize how you edit photos. Trust me, it's a game changer. It's like a super-powered image editing tool that's going to make artists, graphic designers, and folks in e-commerce and fashion very happy. So, what's in-painting all about? Well, it's a way to selectively change parts of a picture using new or customized instructions. Imagine you have an image, and you want to tweak it in specific ways. In-painting lets you do just that. One of the coolest things you can do with this feature is to modify facial expressions. Say you have a photo, but the person in it doesn't have the right smile or look. With in-painting, you can change their expression to match the mood or tone you want. But it doesn't stop there. You can also swap characters in digital stories, or ad campaigns in real time. Do you need a different outfit for a character? No problem. In-painting lets you change their clothes without needing a whole new photo shoot. This is a game changer for the fashion industry and e-commerce. Now, Midjourney has made this feature really user-friendly. They've designed it to be straightforward, so you can chat with the AI like it's a person. You can just give clear instructions on what you want, and it gets the job done. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. In-painting might struggle a bit when removing objects from busy or complex scenes, so you might need to try a few times. And while it's pretty smart, it might not always do exactly what you ask, so some fine-tuning could be needed. So get ready to take your images to a whole new level with Midjourney's in-painting feature. Talking about AIs that take your image to the next level, Runway AI is another of this kind, and they have a new feature that will wow you. Let's check it out. Runwayml Gen 2 is an advanced model that can turn text and images into short videos, and it just got even better with a new animation feature. One of the standout features of Gen 2 is still image animation. It can take a single image and automatically transform it into a short video scene, adding motion to create a dynamic visual experience. What's really cool is that Runway has introduced a motion slider. This slider lets users control the level of motion in their animations on a scale from 1 to 10. If you set it to 1, you'll get a nearly still image, while cranking it up to 10 delivers strong and lively motion. This gives users more creative freedom to customize their animations to match their vision. But that's not all. Runway has also launched the Creative Partners Program. This program is a big deal for artists and creatives because it offers exclusive perks like early access to new Runway tools and models, unlimited usage plans, a whopping 1 million credits, and more. It's a way for Runway to empower and collaborate with the creative community. Gen 2 itself has seen impressive updates since its launch. Initially, it could only create short videos up to 4 seconds long, but now it can go up to 18 seconds. This shows how quickly AI in video creation is advancing. However, it's important to note that while the results are impressive, they may not be perfect just yet. If you've watched this video all the way through, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below to let us know you've gained some insights. For more interesting topics, subscribe and make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.